Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to summarize text. My name is Ahmed, and I've helped tens of thousands of people understand how to use ChatGPT through my blog, and dozens more through one-on-one coaching. So I understand the problems and challenges that new users to ChatGPT face when trying to get the most out of it. By the end of this video, you will learn how to ask ChatGPT to summarize text, in particular an email text, and get it to provide you the answer in text format, in bullet points, and in table format. And I will show you a neat little trick that many beginners stumble on when they first try to chat with the AI. So let's get started. Okay, imagine you received this really long email on Monday morning. Your inbox is packed already, and you get this email, and let's take a look at this email. It's 515 words, in case you're wondering, from Alex to James, and it goes on and on about something about design layout, something about meeting Sarah for marketing and upcoming project, and something about an upcoming meeting, and your mind is just all over the place really, and you don't even know where to start. So now this is where ChatGPT really shines. You can copy this email and head over to ChatGPT, and you can type in the message box something like, tell me what Alex is on about in the below email. Summarize it for me in one short paragraph. Okay, and now you're going to paste the email below. But now here's the thing. If you hit enter directly to go to the next line, as you would in Word or other text editors, what ChatGPT is going to do is going to process the message. So instead of enter, you need to hit shift enter to go to the to a new line. So once I'm in the new line, I paste the email that I've received, and now you can hit enter to send it to ChatGPT, or you can use this white arrow at the bottom right of the text box, and you send the message to ChatGPT. So let's see what he gives us. Okay, so as you can see, ChatGPT has summarized the email in a concise paragraph. So now it's much easier to read. It tells you Alex is providing James with an update on Project X, highlighting progress made, client feedback received, and so on. Now this is a little bit easier to read, but that is not all that ChatGPT can do. Next, we're going to copy that email text again, and this time we're going to ask it, please identify all the action points from this email. Okay, remember, shift enter to go to the next line, and then paste your email, enter to send it to ChatGPT. Now look at this. Now ChatGPT has pulled out the action points for you from this email. Review the latest draft of Project X and ensure all feedback is incorporated, and it gives you the deadline that's needed. Prepare a summary of the client's additional content requests. So now it's given you a nice list that you can take and and run with without having to read and navigate through that whole long email. But you can take it a step further, because ChatGPT can output in various different ways. And in this video, we've discussed text, we've discussed lists. It can output in bullet points. So you could say, can you make the action items in bullet points? And there you go. It's put the items in bullet points, which is very useful. But something that a lot of people don't know or don't use very well is that ChatGPT can also output in table format. Let's say, identify all the action points from the below email. For each action item, provide the task description, the deadline, that's important, and the person responsible. Sometimes you have emails where, or meeting minutes where there's multiple people responsible for different tasks. And then you tell ChatGPT to organize this information into a table format. Okay, so now let's just fix that. Right, Shift Enter, and I'm going to paste the email again. And this time when I hit Enter, there you go. ChatGPT has put it nicely in a table. Imagine that you have a nice to-do list, or if it's multiple people with action items, you can send this out in an email and say, these are the actions that we've discussed in our meeting today. And that looks really great. So there are different other outputs that ChatGPT can do, from HTML to code, etc. In later videos, we'll discuss those on case-by-case examples. But for now, these are probably the most widely used examples that most beginners would start off with. See you in the next video.